Okay guys, so you've probably got two questions. First of all, Harry, where the hell are you? I'm in a hotel room. Secondly, why are we looking at the web app? That is because my hotel TV doesn't work with the Xbox. Look, I shit you not, I bought an Xbox to the US and it doesn't work. Nevertheless, this week's Team of the Week is fucking mental, so there is no way I'm not going to open packs. If you want to open packs yourself with coins, I'll leave a link to MOJ in the description. And if you want to open packs with FIFA points, I'll leave a link to Electronic First. So without further ado, let's go. Come on, first pack. Oh, Joe Hart! Please be in inform. And it's Sagna. Oh, Jesus Christ, look how black he is.
That's racist!
We got an 84 rated card, but it's probably the shittest 84 rated card in the game. Who do we get? Oh, yes! PK! PK! He sells for a bit, doesn't he? He sells for quite a bit. That's very good. I'm going to try a nose pack, whether or not it will work. How do I use a mouse with my nose? Oh, I think I got it. Come on. Oh, no, this is going to take forever. I think I'm there. Come on. Yes, it worked. I opened a pack on a laptop with my nose. Surely that deserves someone. I didn't see who that was. Asamoah, that's okay. Now, a lot of you have been asking me to do a twerk pack, so how about no? I got Inform! Yes! He is so shit! But it's an Inform! Yes! Get in there! Can we get 2 Informs in a row? No! We didn't! But we got Nasri! Yes! This is going so well! This is going so well! Hummels! Yes! That's good! That's very good! Hummels! I think he's worth, like, I don't even know, but he's got to be good. He's 85 rated, yes. I wimbo it, I wimbo it, I wimbo it, I wimbo it. Whoa! Vidal! Yes! He's good, he is very good. He's 85 rated. That's a good pack. Oh, I forgot, I've got some free packs, don't I? Yes. Come on. Oh my days. Yes! I got Pedro in a free pack. Yes, that is good. I am very happy with that.